If I have to tell you more about my family roots, I'm a Marwari.
I've never heard a Sharma being a Marwari.
Pre-IAM and post-IAM, how much value did you add to yourself?
Adani Digital vision is to create a super app.
कूड़े को पैकेज करके हार पहना रहे हैं. That was happening again.
The concern is not about making a model. The concern is what should be made.
You are CPA and MBA, but in your LinkedIn profile it says CA Pawan Sharma.
IIM से MBA क्यों करना? ऐसा क्या सीख लेगा?
I really feel for people who are founders and entrepreneurs because their job is 24/7.
The economy is going very fast, and I think this is the best opportunity for making a generational wealth in India.
Your profile, this is like the worst profile to have.
ठीक है, मतलब पैसा अपनी जगह है, but you want life, you want to spend time with family. जो होगा देखा जाएगा.
We will have to beep this. Why did you do CA? Was there family pressure?
Diversity is something which really matters, and in today's era, I would say the biggest diversity factor is entrepreneurship.
The Indian CA system is based on the British system. So यहाँ पे उसको ACA बोलते हैं.
I used to sleep less than 5 hours on the weekdays because आप 8 घंटे इंटर्नशिप करते हो, then 3 hours of college, then उसमें आपको फाइनल के लिए भी थोड़ा टाइम देना है, CA फाइनल के लिए.
So 10 years you've been a CA, कुछ तो cost, accounting, P&L, balance sheet, ये cost accounting वो सब कर रहे हो. And suddenly तुम्हारे दिमाग में आता है कि मुझे MBA करना है और पापा बोल रहे हैं कि ये सब क्या है.
सारे इंजीनियर्स है ना वही करते हैं. My boss was clear that given that you are a MBA plus CA, I'm not hiring 2 people for this 2 roles. Take care of the strategy side of things and as well as the finance and accounts.
And you didn't have to give the CAT for IIMs? वो
No.
GMAT के through ही हो गया.
GMAT के through. So that's the beauty of PGPX that they do accept GMAT. If person is sincere enough, he should be able to clear entrance and intermediate in 1 year's time. हमारे बैच में जो profiles थी, we had Miss India World. फिर एक रोडीज में था बंदा. And then army के लोग होते हैं. Then we had people from fashion.
क्या बात है.
So the concept of super app is कि आप ये 10-12 जो use cases है ना आप एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे लाते हो so that the customer gets a very integrated experience onto a single app.
So why would I download an Adani super app? कितनी भी बढ़िया हो वो नाम से यहाँ.
That's a different spectrum of AI, okay, which day-to-day user doesn't know about.
And we here, at least in the US, I heard about this company which published a big report, Adani Heidelberg Research.
I think it was a larger game, which at least at my level I don't have much visibility.
I landed in London in August 2008 and September there was the Lehman crisis. So I've been through that, right in the center of what could be called the financial capital of the world, at least back then.
ये तो बच्चा है अभी, अमेरिका तो अभी भी teenager है, right?
This is where the business happens and this is part of the industry practices.
And then around the age of 29, you went to IIM Ahmedabad.
Yeah, वो तो sky is the limit. So right now at Sirius Digitech, we build industrial AI.
What's the need to build anything?
In India today, it's like people think AI is ChatGPT.
But ठीक है, ChatGPT is 80% of AI. So you were applying for US, but then why India?
Middle East has a lot of money to invest. They are only looking for opportunities. तेल में इतना पैसा कमा लिया है अब like.
We used to call it DINK, double income no kids, because from what I caught, your wife is also an MBA and working or something like that. So Pawan, your experience was more with listed companies or was it with unlisted companies?
No, that's okay. Which of the three of us looks most handsome today morning?
Out of the three of you, Pavan stands out the most. The lighting on him is well balanced, and he's positioned in the center of the frame.
Right now, AI is the future.
तो पता है अभी टेक्नोलॉजी इतनी है कि लंदन और मुंबई के बीच में बच्चे भी हो जाएं. How much was your MBA cost? How much does the PGPX cost?
Yeah, long run में more than money, I would value this friendships, the tag, the circle which I got from the college.
Market reputation तो ठीक है. पापा के सामने reputation अच्छी है या नहीं है? मतलब does he now agree?
Yeah, at one point Uber was so cheap that I actually asked myself the question, do I need a car? But now Uber is so expensive that no, that actually is very clear. I do need a car.
Like the Microsoft, Google, Facebook, they have thrown money at the technology because we have those case studies that if there is anything new, you have to be at the top of it.
Male Indian CA अपने पापा के सुन के नहीं करते होंगे MBA.
अगर मेरी मॉम देख लेगी ना ये बहुत बवाल हो जाएगा.